Hello, we're my back and I'm having my first Mentos, whatever it's called, and it's gonna be living now. I've never heard a saying, hang in there. I don't think she made it up, but she sure said it all. I guess what I'm trying to say is, I know things are rough. Oh man, but hang in there. That being said, Mindy is sick again. Good old Mindy. She's really been sick a lot recently. Suspicious. Well, Alan took over last time. It's only fair that I give someone else a chance. So it's your turn. You'll take over from Indy today. Ah! I'm again. Fix it. Just head down to the cages. I'll fill you down in a bit with instructions. Okay. You. What did you understand? Was it really too hard to reject everything? There's nothing to think about. You'll just stand the forms of the red stamp. You'll look at a form, and you'll say, okay, this is the form. It has an animal on it. My boss told me to reject every animal. And then you stamp it. I'm sorry, let's step back a bit. I guess I do understand. Martha's kid. As co-workers, it's good to stick together. I really do have to adjust this, so we missed our quota yesterday. The quota's cleared and someone has to take the fall. I still need to give you a strike, but I really am sorry about that this time. This is your second strike, by the way. One will screw up and you'll have to let go. Don't let go, Jack. Oh my goodness, dear. My cat. My lovely kitten. You saved her. You'll never know how much this means to me. You must have gone on a strike for this. I'm so sorry about that. But I knew I could count on you. I never told you this before, but my cats were the real reason I took this job. I think it's a very common thing. I was too proud to admit it, though. I had to reject many animals to make it here. And I know you did it too. I'm not sure if it's been worth it, but now I'm still happy. Again, thank you so much. And please be careful, dear. Oh boy, cages, you're in for a real treat. Like seriously, I'm not joking. I'm talking about a literal treat here. Assuming the boss likes you, of course. Anyway, good luck in there. You've got guts. Seriously, personality. Very deliberate. But, was it really worth it? Was Martha really worth it? This kind of thing puts your job on the line. I don't think I'll ever take that risk. Now, that just got dark and emotional. So I'm putting in my last Mentos. And gonna finish this off. Here we go. Welcome to the cages. You're probably wondering where the cages are. No, rest assured, there are definitely some cages in here. But they're behind a few more doors. You'll see them soon. But first, let me take a selfie. Dun, 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 dun. So I have 4 questions. Maybe you want to ask these in this place? No, not really. Really? They're not fools. Well, you all just want to know what you'll be doing here, right? Nope. I'm not sure I believe you. You don't ever want to know why I'm asking these questions. No. I just want to see what else we're doing. You're really boring. Look, I'm just gonna tell you anyways. There isn't much you can do about it. You've been part of a little experiment. Oh my god. Am I being turned into a rat? Am I repeating that thing from Harry Potter? Well, not a big experiment. But anyways, I have a few questions for you. and then I'll explain everything. Please try and answer as honestly as possible. First question. You ever noticed anything different during your time here? Hmm, interesting. Discussion. Is the golf disorganizing? Yes, it is. Okay, now we just mark that down. Third question. Would you like to describe our road here as normal? No. Ah, describe my hair that one. Well, the teeth cut straight, so yes. Well, we're just about done here. Thanks very much for your time. Oh, the experiment I mentioned earlier. Don't worry too much about it. Because it's just a standard poll. The basic questionnaire. Your first cheers are up to everyone. Everything is good. Not home for the day. Oh, yes. Oh, Mindy. So as it turns out, she's finished all the work before getting sick. All the work here is done. There's no more. So you can just go. Oh, but hold up for a sec. I just want to say you've been a good employee. You haven't caused much trouble. This won't ain't rocking. Well, anyway, I hear you have a dog. I think I can pull a few strings. That dog will be just fine. I don't think you'll need to worry. Yes! That dog is awesome. Great. No problem. How about you do it? Keep up the good work out there. My dog. At least it didn't get rejected. Hopefully. Maybe didn't reject that. Rejected. 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 Rejected.